Today we are going to learn about image mapping in HTML. First, insert an image. Use the map tag. You can give the name whatever you want. Here you need to write the same name which you have given in the map tag, starting with #. Now we will write the area tag. There are three types of shapes: circle, polygon, and rectangle. As you can see, we got the image here in the output. Now open the image in the Paint app so that we can take the coordinates and write in our program. You can see the coordinates in the left bottom corner off the screen. First, take the coordinates from the middle of the circle. You should need to write both the coordinates x and y. Now take the radius of the circle as per the ruler. Here I am taking the radius as 100 according to the ruler. Now just copy and paste the link that you want to open when you are going to click in that area. Now we will take the coordinates of polygon. Take the coordinates of every vertex of the polygon and write in your program. Always start with the top of the polygon. Here I have taken all the coordinates of the polygon. Just change the links so that you can differentiate from different types of shapes when you click on that. Now you will take the coordinates of rectangle by drawing gate in the Paint. You need to take the vertex coordinates diagonally. Means opposite side of the rectangle. As you can see, I am taking the coordinates of the opposite side of the rectangle. Make sure to note down the coordinates correctly and input the coordinates according to it. If coordinates will be wrong, then you will not get the output. Let's check the output. As you can see, the area is clickable in the image. These are also called as hotspots. Check whether all the links are working correctly or not. Everything is working correctly. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe.